Which one of you guilty bastards did this? I don't think that's your work. I think it's the king of separation anxiety, Barack 3. The football, I kind of figured that he'd chew up that. I don't even know what this is. What the heck do I got made out of blue foam? Uh-oh, that might be mattress or pillow. No, mattress. The pillow's intact. This is a mess. It's got to be one of the dog toys. I don't know which one. Oh, what's this stuff down here? Nope, that's just debris. I'm going to see if there's any more pieces around. If I'm missing any pillows or couch cushions. The toy box is half eaten. Oh, that's what it looks like. What is that thing? Let go of that, you bastard. I don't see any foam pieces in here. That could be a dog frisbee. It was. Destructo dog. Shame on you.